Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best kite string reel out there, featuring a generous 1,000 feet of high-strength kite string. If you're a kite-flying enthusiast, whether a beginner or seasoned flyer, this product is designed to elevate your kite-flying experience. This kite reel comes with an impressive 8-inch diameter spool, providing plenty of line to soar your kite higher and farther than usual. The string itself is made from a high-strength, 3-strand nylon line, engineered for durability and performance. It's designed to handle up to 23 kilograms of tension, making it suitable for a wide variety of kite types, whether you're flying lightweight or more robust kites. One of the standout features is the large handle design. It's crafted to provide a comfortable and secure grip, fitting well in both adult and children's hands. This means it's great for family outings, encouraging parent-child interaction through kite flying. The reel's construction uses sturdy ABS plastic combined with polyester, ensuring the product is both durable and lightweight at just 1.5 pounds. Additionally, the reel includes a safety lock mechanism. This lock keeps the spool from unwinding unexpectedly, offering you full control over your kite string. When locked, the reel won't turn, preventing line loss and making it easier to manage your kite in the air. This thoughtful feature is especially useful for beginners or when you want to pause your kite's flight without hassle. The kite string reel also boasts a smooth turning action thanks to built-in high-speed steel bearings. These bearings reduce friction and make reeling in and letting out the line effortless. Coupled with a metal fixing bracket, the reel promises strength and longevity, avoiding the breakage or damage common with cheaper plastic alternatives. Visually, this reel is designed to stand out with its bright blue color and unique hollow carved pattern, making it not only functional but also an attractive accessory during outdoor kite flying sessions. Measuring approximately 9 by 8 by 3 inches, this kite string reel is compact yet substantial enough to hold all that line without being cumbersome. The 1,000 feet of string gives you extended flying time and the ability to explore new heights and distances with your kite. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and user-friendly kite string reel with a long line capacity, this product fits the bill. It combines quality materials, thoughtful design features like the safety lock and comfortable grip, and enough string to keep your kite flying adventures going strong. Whether you're flying solo or sharing the fun with family, this kite reel is a great companion for your outdoor activities. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.